Okay, and I got you that time round, man. When Blade got off the mall, I got it all. A709 out there around Spokane. Your friend on this end, Postmaster, out of Melbourne, Australia. Got you in my radio that time round. Break.
Right to the side. Worldwide one Peter, my favorite cousin. Cousin, Switchblade, Wolf Lake. One Peter, Switchblade, Wolf Lake. Good night.
A709, let me try and get in your radio one more time. Hello out there, 709. Let me try and get in your radio one more time. 709, Postmaster, Melbourne, Australia, waving.
I bet they hear you though. Zero's calling you left and right. Showtime in the Big Island. Big, you know the Big Island. Our spot is out there. That can't be Postmaster.
709, guys.
Come on, me. Postmaster, now I told Postmaster Keith. I said, we do. I said, now one pill ain't gonna do what we.
A709, man, I got Blade talking at one pill again, man, and he's got my radio locked down again. A709 round Spokane. Good to get the link up, hook up, get back, come back. 709 Postmaster down under Melbourne, Australia with a wave. Man, I got the islands. I got Mad Max out there around the Big Island calling for Switchblade 2 there, 709. I got a whole heap of traffic in my radio right about now, making it real rough and tough to hear you in my radio. 709 out there around Spokane. 709 up there in the northwest corner, your Postmaster, your friend down under. Man, I got a smile on my dial. It's all worthwhile. 709 Postmaster down under, set it.
They said that you want to sit, always a pleasure for the big friend of mine. We'll get hard. Hey, what you love to say solid. Solid as a rock. Hey, one pill, but that cat nigga 460. Nigga made my day, man. I told him, boy, if I was my boy, that cat nigga, it's a memory. On this radio, one pill, your country cousin, bye-bye. Garage, it's all a few days. One pill, appreciate it. Yeah, one pill still got me here. So many of y'all told me, Big Shot, is that you or 12? 12, I got 12 and calculate up also. Hey, some of you say you'll catch me later. I'm doing one pill, got a helmet down. Y'all take care, guys. I really truly got to go. Take care, Switchblade, we'll play. Good night.
Hey, Switchblade. Hey, Blade, can I get in your radio just one time? Hey, Switchblade, can I get in your radio just one time as you got mine on lockdown? Hello out there, Uncle Blade, Postmaster down under, 06 Postmaster Australia, right there.
60, I wasn't trying to get up, man. I got one. 460, I should have kept a secret, man. I was telling them guys that you said your tongue will get hard. Hey, 460. I wasn't smart. I tried to be smart, but you did keep me radio so your tongue will get hard. 460, I wasn't trying to let the cat out the bag, Captain Bigger. I just repeated what you said. No doubt about it. Take me a 460. Odessa, Texas. Switchblade, get down. Oh, God. You're coming back to this plate. Now you got in your background. Hey, 460, no, you know I never threw you up under the bus. Hey, 460, you better watch that bus. I would never throw you up under the bus. Hello to you worldwide, 460, Odessa, Texas. Switchblade, Switchblade, Rockblade.
How about it out there, Uncle Blade, Postmaster Down Under. Uncle Switchblade, Postmaster Australia. 06 Postmaster Down Under. Come on.
That's hard to believe. You take control of Mother Nature. Man, you spotted that motor mount long. Man, about 30 minutes ago, somebody was telling you thought you were motor mount. I forgot who it was. I meant to tell you, but 35 minutes ago, somebody came and said, man, I forgot who it was. I meant to tell you that, but I got busy. Take out plane radar. And radio station, hell, I'm finna call you motor mount. Take out 460. Switchblade, Blaze. You're smoking out the back. Nigga. I'm surprised you can hear me. Take care, call you later. 460 Odessa, Texas. Switchblade, please. Switchblade on that 3-2 driver. Bye.
How about it out there, Uncle Blade? I'm going to keep on whooping and hollering here. Hello out there, Uncle Switchblade, Postmaster Down Under. Uncle Switchblade, Postmaster, Melbourne, Australia. Try and come on.
I think 460 is still on the line, man.